Hi, first graders. For today's three-part drill, we're going to focus on A magic E. Remember, A magic E makes the long A sound, A. When we have this A magic E here, or when we have this long A in a word like this, we know there's going to be a magic E at the end that is silent. When I say, I know two ways to make the long A sound, A, we know that A says A and A magic E says A. I only put a line under the A here because the magic E is silent. Sometimes we can put a star above it to remember that it's silent. I also like to put a line over the A's. This means that that A sound is going to be long. Now let's look at some magic E words with long A. Okay, first we're going to look at the ache word family. Ready? Say the sounds with me. W, a, k, wake. K, a, k, cake. Sh, a, k, shake. T, a, k, take. R, a, k, rake. B, a, k, bake. L, a, k, lake. Okay, let's look at the ain word family. L, a, n, lane. P, a, n, pain. M, a, n, main. J, a, n, Jane. Z, a, n, Zane. V, a, n, vain. Okay, let's take a look at the aim word family. F, aim, fame. S, aim, same. G, aim, game. T, aim, tame. Sh, aim, shame. Okay, now we're going to look at some A magic E words with blends, like dwa, ain, Dwayne. Cr, ain, crane. Pl, ain, plane. St, ate, state. Sl, ate, slate. Cr, ate, crate. Pl, ate, plate.